Hi, I'm Heather Topcik, the director of the library at the Bard Graduate Center, and today I'd like to share with you my daughter's first pointe shoe. Anna Pavlova, the famous Russian ballerina of the early 20th century, is said to have developed the modern pointe shoe to support her highly arched feet, though she didn't admit it at the time. Modern pointe shoes are still made by hand, and though there are many minute variations depending on the maker, they all share the same general construction. The shank or the sole is made of leather. The box and the platform are the most important part of the shoe, supporting the dancer's feet. These feel like they're made of concrete or wood, but in fact a box is constructed through many layers of paper, cloth, and flour paste, like paper mache. The outside of the shoe is made of satin and finished with an elastic. Each dancer must prepare her own shoe by sewing the elastics and the ribbons to her own specifications, which means learning to be a dancer means learning how to sew. The lifespan of a pointe shoe is only 10 to 12 hours, which means that professional dancers will go through more than 10 pair every week.